Let's practice with arithmetic sequences. Give the first term and the common difference. Find the first 5 terms and the recursive formula. All right, so recursive formula we learned yesterday, but we are starting with A1 equals 28. That means our first term is 28. The difference is 10, so that means we will add 10 each time. So the recursive formula is A sub n is equal to A sub n minus 1. That means the term that came before plus 10. Every single time we're going to add 10. So we will start with 28. That's our first term, A1. Our next term is A2. We add 10 to the number before, so it's 38. Add 10, we get 48. That's A3. 58 is A4. And 68 is A5, the 5th term. All right, for part B, we have the first term is negative 38. So the recursive formula is negative 38 as our first term. And we're going to take the A sub n, that's the number that we're looking for, is equal to the number before it, A sub n minus 1. And the difference is minus 100. So we're going to subtract 100 each time. So we're at negative 38. If we subtract 100, that means we're going further in debt. It's going to be negative 138, and then negative 238, negative 338, and negative 438, because we're going further in debt every 100. For every step we go down 100. And these are the first 5 terms. Okay. For part C, given the first term and the common difference, find the recursive formula and the first 3 terms in the sequence after the last one given. So we start with A sub 1 equals 39. The recursive formula means we're going to, same steps, A sub n equals A sub n minus 1 minus 5. So if we start with 39 and we subtract 5, we get 34. 34 minus 5 is 29. 29 minus 5 is 24. So we had the first term, which was A sub 1, and then we had the next 3 terms. Okay. Same idea on this next problem. A sub 1 is equal to negative 26. So A sub n is equal to A sub n minus 1. That means the term before plus 200. If we are at negative 26, and that is our first term, A1, and we add 200 to it, because we're adding 200 to a negative, we actually are subtracting, so it will really be 200 minus 26, which is 174. And then we're adding 200 to that, so since they're both positive, we just add 374, 574. And those are the next 3 terms. On this next problem, determine if the sequence is arithmetic. If it is, find the common difference and the recursive formula. Well, let's see. How do we get from here to here? We added 6. And to get from negative 1 to 5, we added 6. And to get from 5 to 11, we added 6. So therefore, it is arithmetic. And it's going to be starting with A sub 1. Our first term is negative 7. We're adding 6 each time, so we have a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1. We are adding 6 each time. All right, here to get from 0 to 5, we add 5, 5 to 10, we add 5, 10 to 15, we add 5. So it's arithmetic. Our first term in the sequence is 0. So a sub n, that's the number we're looking for, is equal to the number before, a sub n minus 1, plus 5. And for our last one, it looks like we're subtracting 3 each time from each number. So negative 14 minus 3 gives us negative 17. Negative 17 minus 3 gives us negative 20. Negative 20 minus 3 gives us negative 23. So a sub 1, our first term, is negative 14. And we want to find a sub n, any number in the sequence. Any number in the sequence is the number before it, a sub n minus 1, and we subtract 3 from the number before. And that is it.